Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 2nd of December, 2022. Let's talk about Bitcoin today. Can the market run up to $20,000? From the last couple of days, I would say that it is increasing, that the market move in Bitcoin is going to try to run up there towards 20,000. Now, will it actually hit 20,000? That is yet to be determined. Let's go ahead and talk about the price action right now in the market of Bitcoin. You guys can see from my last video on November the 12th, I was looking for the market to run down to Bitcoin, and it has done exactly that. Okay, you guys can see it. How price in Bitcoin came into our price target area. Now, it didn't go all the way down to the bottom, but you guys can see from the low of November the 9th, the market in Bitcoin came there on the 21st of November. So hopefully you all was able to grab some profitability out the market in Bitcoin right there, because I actually think that the market is trying to go higher, okay, at least short term. So let's go ahead and cut this out. Congratulations to those who got 8.79% off the market in Bitcoin. If you didn't do that, and you were to get out the market now, you will be down around 1%. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this out the way. Let's go ahead and fix this. And now let's talk about price action for Bitcoin. I'm looking for the market to go higher, I'll tell you that. But let me show you this though, okay, because I don't want people to try to say, well, you was looking for the market in Bitcoin to go higher and it didn't. Well, I can understand why the market won't, because this area right here, okay, I've already identified it. So if the market in Bitcoin doesn't go higher above 17,002, then I'm cool with that, because I already expected. I can see where sellers are located on the price chart. They're actually holding back the price action for Bitcoin from running up. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, now from a 2-day chart perspective, look at this 2-day price bar. This is fantastic. It kind of lets me know that yes, the market in Bitcoin is trying to go higher. It's just that simple. Now we have 12 hours left though on this current 2-day price bar, and we have a very small spread. The volume is pretty decent. Why isn't the market breaking 17,200? Well, like I told you, that's because sellers are here. So gotta remember that. So look at this on the 3-day chart. We are seeing some areas of resistance coming in right now. So we may initially from out the gate see price in Bitcoin run down. Now I like this on the 5-day chart. Okay, I definitely like what's going on the 5-day chart. Here it is on the weekly. I think you guys can even tell here that Bitcoin has found a support area. So I think we can say as long as price in Bitcoin maintains what, $15,800, that the market is going to at best consolidate and trade within a range. Okay, now we're trading right now the upper range into the market in Bitcoin, but this will be that trading range right here. Right around here will be that trading range. We might see it run up here to around 18,300 for a trading range as well, but that's where we at. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. Let me show you the monthly chart first, and then I'll put the price prediction on the chart for Bitcoin. So you guys can see it here from a monthly perspective that with the increase in volume and us closing lower than the previous month in October, the market in Bitcoin could definitely continue to go down, which is why I'm trying to tell you that this is a short-term price prediction that we can see the market in Bitcoin run up. So I'm not looking for no astronomical price saying that Bitcoin is going to hit 50,000, 100,000 like so many people ran on YouTube. No, just looking for the market to try to inch just a little bit higher, and let's see where we're going to go. So here it is on the 3-day chart, 3-hour chart. So yeah, we may not even see the market Bitcoin break 17,002. Okay, you guys can see that. Now we are in a trend though, so we need to keep that in mind for Bitcoin as well. This gives us a little bit more confirmation that buyers are trying to move the market higher, but they currently have an issue with 17,200. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. So considering that we know that sellers are at $17,200 for Bitcoin, we need to make that a price target. It's only 1.5%. I'd rather get that 1.5% and get out the way and let the market fall in Bitcoin than me simply waiting and hoping and wishing that the market goes back up. That's an issue. My second price target is going to be here around 17,600. And if we do see enough momentum into the market in Bitcoin, I'm going to bring it up here to around $18,000. Okay, and that's about it. Let me go ahead and bring up the support area. We want to see the market in Bitcoin come through and hold, let's do around $15,850. Okay, so I'm going to hold these lines here. Okay, this is the focal point that we're going to look at the price action, and these lines represent how we suspect the market sellers are going to appear and try to push back down market action in Bitcoin. So I'm done. Hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel, get more simplistic content and give you all a heads up as to where price is presumed to go. But as always, the comment section is open on the video. You guys can let me know what are your price predictions and price targets for Bitcoin as we see the market trade in this new month called December. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.